Hi everyone, Alpha here and welcome back to my channel. Today I will be showing you how I mix my lye to a frozen goat milk. And this is my frozen milk, goat milk. And the bottom is I prepare this container with ice cubes. Pour in some lye into the frozen milk, little by little, and then stir it up, slightly stirring until all the lye is completely dissolved. So it will take time to melt this lye, and it needs patience. So this is how we prepare the frozen. If you're making milk soap, this is how the best way to do is to frozen your milk like this one, and then dissolve your lye little by little until all the lye is completely melted. So it will take a little time. As you continue to mix, your lye will start melting. So we do this process so that our milk will not turn yellow or brown, because if that will be the case, then your milk is burned and it's not good. As you can see, the frozen milk or the goat milk is still white, and this is good. When you're making milk soap or goat milk soap, you can't see any lye left over. So make sure to stir extra time before you add it in your oil or your base oil. So as you can see, I'm gonna no more frozen milk, but still I will continue on stirring, give extra time so that all the lye is completely dissolved. And I'm happy for the result, because my milk is still white. It did not turn yellow or brown. That means this did not burn. So it will take probably, for this batch, it take probably less than 10 minutes. So if you have any questions, please feel free to comment down below, and I will be happy to answer them for you. So my lye solution, my goat, is completely dissolved, and I'm happy with the result. Thanks for watching and see you for the next video. Bye!